Having trouble applying eye drops? Eye drops is one of the most common medications for our eyes. It can be a little tricky in the beginning when you instill your eye drops. You may miss your eyes a few times, wetting the area around your eyes and wasting that precious few drops. Today, I would like to share with you an easy way to apply eye drops in 7 easy steps. This will ensure you a more hygienic and efficient way of putting eye drops. Step 1. Wash hands before applying any medication in the eye. Step 2. Tilt your head slightly backward and look upward. Step 3. Gently form a sac by pinching lower lid or pulling down lower lid. Step 4. Squeeze the bottle of eye drop in the sac. Never touch tip of applicator to the eyelid or eyelashes to prevent contamination. Applying more than 1 drop will not increase the efficacy of the medicine, but may increase side effects. Step 5. Close the eye to allow absorption. Do not blink. Step 6. Gently wipe away any excess from skin around the eye with clean tissue. Step 7. Wait for about 5 minutes between eye medications before applying the next eye drop. An alternative way of eye drop application is using the eye drop dispenser. Step 1. Gently pull down your lower eyelid. Step 2. Tilt your head back and rest the eyepiece gently against the upper eye socket. Step 3. Gently squeeze the dispenser to deliver drops into your eye. I hope that you have found our mini tutorial on eye drop installation useful. Remember the 7 steps, and applying eye drops will be a hassle-free process. Until next time, bye!